Welcome to Module 5 of the Possibility Practice, where we focus on reflection and refinement. This is where we close the learning loop to really look at what we learned and now what's the next action we can take. This step is really important because most teams don't take the time to reflect on what's learned so they can make it a part of a systems approach moving forward for other projects or experiments. So really do take the time to slow down and make this a key part of the culture in your meetings. Here's 3 questions that can guide this process for your team. Step 1 is just ask them what happened. In this portion, you are going to work with them to reflect on the objective facts that happened through the experiment. What was done and what was the outcome. Step 2 is asking what surprised us or what did you notice that you didn't expect. This is really bringing out a reflective model of thinking so we can focus on the learning portion that needs to happen for the whole team. Step 3 is asking what is the next smallest action we can take as we work towards a better system. This helps build an agile approach on your team so that you know that you're going to continue to test along the way and that perfection isn't the goal, but learning is the goal to a better outcome or system. So again, you're going to ask what happened, what surprised us, and what can we do next? Here's an example script that might help you kick this one off with your team. Let's take a few minutes to reflect on what we tried. This isn't about success or failure, it's about learning. So what happened, what surprised us, and what's our next smallest step? This keeps the tone open, curious, and forward-looking to help build that psychological safety on your team. As in any facilitative process, there's some things to watch out for. So here's 2 things. First is that people will often jump to critique or blame. And if that happens, just remind them we are looking for what happened, not who messed up. Second is that teams will often jump to big solutions. And if that starts to happen, just remind them that we're working at testing small steps where we can really focus on our hypothesis, get some feedback, and then create a better system. So this reflection and reinforcement portion is really important to take our learning and put it into action. It helps a team build that kind of culture of open, iterative approaches where we can take risks and feel that it's a supported part of our process.